Alright guys, these are the silver bullet bypass keys for master, and let me get a little background. This is what the A key, this is the B key, and this is what it looks like. Far back. And then it comes with two keys that you have to use. Here's the A key, the one on the bottom. Close up. Stylus. Now, what they do is this A key goes right in here where all the pins are, and you want to get that as far back as you can. And you know when you get it back there because you can feel a little tension, a little springing tension in it when you get it back there. And it feels, it's kind of like that. But then you take this this B key, then you do the same thing, but you want this part where it hooks going up along the pins, and then once you get to the back, you kind of work it up and down, and it pops that lock open. So we'll ride it along right here. There it goes. And then that's what it looks like. Alright, thank you guys. If you guys need any help with these or have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks.